Life moves fast. In the hustle and bustle of our daily routines, it's easy to get caught up in the whirlwind of activities. It's easy to grab whatever's quick when you're juggling work, family, and everything in between. Fast food and quick snacks become the norm, but they often leave us feeling sluggish and unsatisfied. But taking time to plan meals is like giving a gift to your future self. A well-thought-out meal plan can transform your eating habits and overall well-being. Imagine less stress, more energy, and maybe even a bit more cash in your pocket. Sounds good, right? Meal planning can help you achieve all of this and more. Meal planning can help you make healthier choices too. By selecting nutritious ingredients, you can create balanced meals that nourish your body and mind. When you plan ahead, you're in control. You can avoid last-minute unhealthy choices and ensure that your meals align with your health goals. You decide what goes into your body and fuel your day. Ready to dive in? Let's get cooking. With a little planning, you can turn mealtime into a joyful and rewarding experience. This essay is packed with tips to make healthy eating easier. Remember, it's not a substitute for personalized medical advice. Always talk to your doctor about your specific health needs. No insurance? No problem. Check out MyHomeDoc Telehealth for affordable options. Now let's get back to meal planning. It's about finding what works best for. There's no one-size-fits-all approach. Let's face it, life can be hectic. Between work, family, and personal commitments, finding time to prepare healthy meals can feel like an impossible task. But don't worry, we've got you covered. But don't let a busy schedule derail your healthy eating goals. With a little planning and some smart strategies, you can stay on track without feeling overwhelmed. Here are some simple tricks to make meal planning a breeze. Cook once, eat twice. This means preparing larger portions so you can enjoy the same meal on another day. Double your recipes and freeze half for a ready-made meal later in the week. Embrace leftovers. They can be a lifesaver on those particularly busy days. Last night's dinner can be tomorrow's lunch. Theme nights. Taco Tuesdays, anyone? Having a set theme for each night can simplify your planning and make meals more exciting. Theme nights make planning fun and easy. Plus, they give everyone something to look forward to. Remember, small steps lead to big changes. Start with manageable goals and gradually build up your meal planning routine. Even starting with one prepped meal a week can make a difference. Over time, you'll find that these small efforts add up to a healthier, more organized lifestyle. Everyone's nutritional needs are different. What works for one person might not work for another. This is because our bodies are unique, and so are our nutritional requirements. It's like a fingerprint, totally unique. Just as no two fingerprints are the same, no two people have the exact same nutritional needs. This uniqueness is what makes personalized nutrition so important. Talk to your doctor or a registered dietitian for advice tailored to you. They can help you understand what your body needs and how to meet those needs through your diet. Here are some common diet concerns and potential solutions. High blood pressure. Reduce sodium intake, as too much salt can lead to hypertension. Cook more meals at home, where you can control the amount of salt and other ingredients, and enjoy potassium-rich foods like bananas and sweet potatoes. These foods can help balance out the effects of sodium and support healthy blood pressure levels. High cholesterol. Choose lean proteins, limit saturated and trans fats, which can raise your cholesterol levels and increase your risk of heart disease. And load up on fiber-rich foods like beans, oats, and lentils. Fiber helps to lower cholesterol and keep your digestive system healthy. Remember, making gradual changes to your diet can have a big impact on your overall health. Small steps, big results. Start with one change at a time and soon you'll see the benefits. Thanks for tuning in.